a new practice question on topic linear equation. So here you have a question in front of you. Again, as we always do, pause this video, look at the question, try solving it by yourself and write the answer, guys. Write the answer in the comment box. Along with, tell me what do you think about the difficulty level of this question. Difficulty level of this question, level of difficulty for this question. What do you think? Is it easy, difficult, or moderate? Let's see the question. Here the question says two full tanks, one shaped like cylinder and the other like cone. Okay, contain jet fuel. The cylindrical tank holds 500 liters more than conical tank. That means they are comparing the volume. After 200 liters fuel has been pumped out from each tank, the cylindrical tank contains twice the amount of fuel compared to conical tank. Okay, so some amount, equal quantity, equal volume is taken out from both of them. Then they are comparing the volume again. How many liters? Again, we need to talk about the volume. So there is no mention of radius, height, slant height, nothing like that. So they are talking about volume, but they are not talking about the formula of volume to be compared, right? So in that case, we can directly assume what? Volume. So volume of cylinder, let's say volume of cylinder is X and volume of conical tank here is Y. Let's assume this. So cylinder volume is X and conical tank volume is Y. This is important to identify, that don't apply the formula of volume directly. Because they mention volume, you apply the formula of volume. No. Hold on. Just check the question. Alright. Now, let's start solving. So, as per the question, as per the condition given here, that the cylindrical tank volume, if you compare with the conical tank volume, this says it is Y plus 500. That is 500 more. Right? Now, if you compare, if you take out 200 liters from each, so the cylindrical tank volume now, the fuel in the cylindrical tank now is X minus 200 and the fuel in the conical tank now is Y minus 200. Yeah, as per the question. After 200 liter fuel has been taken out, pumped out. Yeah. Now, condition is the cylindrical tank contains twice the amount of fuel compared to fuel in the conical tank. So, this is the fuel left in the cylindrical tank. If you want to equate this with the fuel left in conical tank, then it is twice as per the question. Yes, twice. I hope you are comfortable making the equation out of the word problems. Yeah, we have discussed word problems, guys. We have discussed in the 6th lecture, we have discussed the word problems. So there I have also discussed how do you form the word problem, looking at the helping verb, twice, half, plus, more. Yeah, if you have not gone through that, then please go through the 6th lecture of linear equation to understand the word problem. Coming back to this, we got simple, easy, very easy two equations. We got simple, easy two equations where I can substitute the value of X from the equation number 1 to equation number 2. I get what? Y plus 500 minus 200 here equal to twice of, let me open the bracket. So here 2y minus 400. Now what do? You simply solve this equation, get value of y, that is what? Y minus 300 equals to 2y minus 400. If I take 300 here, okay, no. Shift the smaller value always. So y this side and 400 this side. What do I get here? I get y, 2y minus y is equal to y, and this is 400. If I take towards the other side, okay, first of all, plus 500 minus 200 should be plus 300. Yes. So 300 minus 300 plus 400. So y equal to what? 700. Y equal to 700. Yeah, that's not the answer. Question said find the volume of cylindrical tank which we assumed as x. So what is the relation between x and y? Compare relationship between x and y. Compare. X is equal to y plus 500. So I get x equal to y, which is 700 plus 500. The answer will be 1200 liters. Yes, that's the answer. Okay. Do we have this in the option? 1200 is the answer. What do you think the level of difficulty now? Okay, you also have to be honest to yourself before starting the question. What do you think? What have you thought about the level of difficulty? And now what do you think is after knowing the solution? Compare both. Yeah. So it's very important to understand problem statement. I would mark easy because it was nothing much. We just need to identify that we don't have to apply the formula of volume here. Simply assume the volume as x and y, make two equations, simplify. Equations are also not very difficult. It's easy. And this is one of the questions of previous year exam. Yes, it is. Okay, so not very difficult, right? Get such kind of easy questions also in exam. Your exam questions are balanced between some easy and a few of them like more moderate, and little bit of them are difficult also. There is a good combination of easy, moderate and difficult. That's why we should solve all level of difficulty questions, right? So level of difficulty and answer. Let's see the next question.